Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Park on level ground, set the parking brake, and let the engine cool for at least 30 minutes before you begin. Open the hood and visually locate the translucent coolant reservoir near the front of the engine bay. The cap is plastic and marked with a coolant symbol. Put on gloves and eye protection to avoid skin or eye contact with coolant, which is toxic and has a sweet smell. Never open a hot radiator cap under pressure. Wait until the system is cool to the touch to prevent scalding. Choose Volkswagen-approved OAT coolant, typically G13 or G12++, and always follow your Atlas owner's manual. Prepare a 50/50 mix of coolant and clean distilled water unless using pre-mixed coolant. This maintains corrosion protection and thermal transfer. Do not mix conventional green IAT coolant with OAT chemistry, because mixing different types reduces corrosion inhibitors and shortens service life. A correctly mixed 50/50 solution provides freeze protection to about -34 degrees Fahrenheit and proper boiling protection under pressure, helping preserve the engine and radiator components. With the engine cool, remove the reservoir cap and slowly add the 50/50 coolant mix until the fluid reaches the MAX line on the translucent tank. Do not overfill above MAX. Start the engine and let it reach normal operating temperature with the heater set to hot and the fan on to circulate fluid. This helps bleed trapped air pockets. Recheck the level after a short drive and top to MAX if needed. Collect and dispose of any spilled or old coolant responsibly. Keep it away from children and pets and recycle in a sealed container.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.